once kind of asked me to do an impression. And I don't really know any except for Donald Duck sneezing. And I have to take my chewing gum out as well, so we're going to go for it. And then apparently I've got to try and teach you how to do it, but I don't really know how to do it myself. So yeah, that's how it goes really. Figure it out. Right. If you can't clench your teeth and just let your cheeks go a little bit, like that, and then blow into your cheeks while squeaking your tongue. I know it sounds easy, but it isn't. Alright? This has taken years to perfect. This is the easiest bit. That's about my act, really. I can tell you the background story to it if you want to know, because that's it's a bit more boring. Alright, I went to Italy, and there was a 24-hour coach journey. This was when I was about 11. So I got on the coach, and I was like, I'm going to sit next to a girl. Yeah. 11. So I walked down the coach, and there was this like, she must have been like 13 or something. It was mental. So I went up to her, and I sat down, and I went, you alright? She went, yeah. I was like, how are you doing? She's like, I'm just waiting for my dad. I was like, okay, can I sit in? She was like, no, my dad's sitting in. I was like, I can do a Donald Duck impression. And she went, really? I went, yeah. Do you want to see it? Okay then. And then I did it. And that's about the story, really. How my Donald Duck impression came about. So, there you go. That's my act.